Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV slide lubes on Amazon. No one ever wants to operate a squeaky and squealing RV slide out in the middle of the campground. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. WD40 Dry Lube. Almost every vehicle owner has a WD40 product in his toolbox. It is one of the most trusted names when it comes to automotive lubrication, cleaners, and other car care products. The implications of such a lube formulation focus are limitless. Dust and dirt can increase friction between two metal objects. Even if these two surfaces do not get in contact with each other, dirt can scratch against these surfaces. It can accumulate over time and cause problems for your slide out. What we like about it: protects surfaces against dust and dirt accumulation. The multi-purpose formulation for exceptional versatility. Applicable to most materials present in an RV. Good resistance against temperature extremes. Features a smart straw system for more precise spraying. What we don't like about it: runny consistency and is not quick enough to dry. Number 2. 3-in-1 RV Slide Out Lube. 3-in-1 aims to simplify the process of maintaining our vehicles with good products. Its products are now of even higher quality because of the acquisition by WD40. Among those is the 3-in-1 RV Slide Out Silicone Lube. Perfect for eliminating slide out issues, the RV delivers a powerful 1 to 2 to 3 punch to make your riving experience more worthwhile. This all-in-one solution takes care of the job that both the Thetford Premium and the Camco Lube do. It lubricates, cleans, conditions, and protects different surfaces, including metal components, plastic, and vinyl materials. The formulation is useful in the elimination of squeals and squeaks. It also conditions the seals, which tend to dry and crack. What we like about it: quick drying formulation. Safe to apply on different materials. Useful in the elimination of squeals and squeaks. Good corrosion and rust resistance. Comes with a smart straw for more precise spraying. Good control of the nozzle spray. What we don't like about it: there might be shipping issues. Can be runny if spraying too much at once. Number 3. Camco Slide Out Lube. One of the most common indicators of a slide out not functioning correctly is the presence of squeals or squeaks. You know that there is a problem with the tracks. The noise is often due to friction. You do not have to endure such a nuisance or keep on subjecting other campers to that annoying noise. The Camco's Slide Out Lube can help. Many RV owners consider this the best RV slide lube, especially if you are talking about your system's metal parts. What we like about it: eliminates noise when operating the slide out. Good resistance against salts, good for 336 hours of constant exposure to salt spray. Convenient to use because of its precision spray. Excellent resistance against rust and corrosion. What we don't like about it: there might be unnecessary drips due to the application technique. Straw is not built in. Number 4. Quacky Quick Lube. The Quick Lube is a camper slide out lubricant that is versatile enough that you can use it for other applications. It is among those products with a multi-purpose formulation and a convenient, easy-to-spray canister. It can eliminate unwanted slide-out noise hinges due to its special formulation. Quacky features a unique blend of chemicals to minimize friction between two opposing metal surfaces. The result? Less frequent squeaks and squeals, if not their total absence. What we like about it: the water-repellent formulation for optimum surface protection. Reliable corrosion resistance. Works on different metal components. Easy to spray with accompanying straw. Minimizes squeals and squeaks. What we don't like about it: costs more than some other products. May feel greasier than other brands. Number 5. Thetford RV Slide Out Lubricant. This is the trustworthy partner of the Thetford Premium. It takes care of the non-rubber components of the slide out of RVs, ensuring their optimum functionality. What we like about it: comes with a quick drying formulation for mess-free application. Multi-purpose lubricant for versatility. Eliminates squeaks and squeals. High-pressure system for superior convenience. Good protective capabilities. What we don't like about it: A little pricey compared to products with a similar net weight. There is no straw with the canister. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.